Introduction: the power of effective communication. Communication is the lifeblood of human connection. It is the essential tool we use to build relationships, share information, and achieve common goals. Effective communication is not merely about speaking, but also about listening, understanding, and connecting with others on a deeper level. In today's fast-paced world, strong communication skills are more critical than ever. They are essential for success in all aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional endeavors. When we communicate effectively, we foster trust, resolve conflicts, and create a more harmonious and productive environment. This comprehensive course will equip you with the knowledge and skills to become a master communicator. We will delve into the key areas of effective communication, including verbal and non-verbal communication, active listening, and empathy. By the end of this course, you will have the tools to communicate with clarity, confidence, and empathy, empowering you to build stronger relationships, achieve your goals, and navigate the complexities of human interaction with greater ease and success. Mastering verbal communication, clarity, tone, and empathy. Verbal communication, the use of spoken words, forms the foundation of our interactions. To communicate effectively, we must master the art of conveying our thoughts and ideas clearly, concisely, and with empathy. Clarity is paramount in verbal communication. Using precise language, avoiding jargon, and structuring our sentences logically ensures that our message is easily understood by the listener. Tone of voice is equally important. It conveys our emotions and attitudes, influencing how our message is received. A respectful and empathetic tone fosters trust and understanding, while a harsh or dismissive tone can create barriers to communication. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is crucial for building strong connections. When we communicate with empathy, we demonstrate that we value the other person's perspective and feelings, creating a more supportive and collaborative environment. Active listening, the foundation of understanding. Active listening is a fundamental pillar of effective communication. It goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves actively engaging with the speaker, paying attention to both verbal and non-verbal cues, and striving to understand their message fully. Active listeners are fully present in the conversation, maintaining eye contact, nodding to show understanding, and asking clarifying questions. They avoid interrupting or imposing their own opinions, creating a safe space for the speaker to express themselves freely. By practicing active listening, we demonstrate respect for the speaker and their ideas. It allows us to gather information more effectively, identify underlying emotions, and build stronger, more meaningful connections. Active listening is not a passive activity. It requires conscious effort and practice. However, the rewards are significant, fostering trust, resolving conflicts, and enhancing our relationships both personally and professionally. The art of empathy, connecting on a deeper level. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It is the capacity to step into someone else's shoes and see the world from their perspective, even if we haven't personally experienced their situation. Empathy is essential for building strong, meaningful connections. When we communicate with empathy, we create a safe and supportive environment where others feel heard, understood, and valued. This in turn fosters trust, encourages open communication, and strengthens relationships. Developing empathy requires active listening, observation, and a genuine desire to understand others. It involves paying attention to both verbal and non-verbal cues, asking open-ended questions, and reflecting on the speaker's feelings. By cultivating empathy, we become more effective communicators, building bridges of understanding and creating a more compassionate and harmonious world. Nonverbal communication, the unspoken language. While words are powerful, our nonverbal cues often speak louder. Nonverbal communication encompasses all the ways we communicate without using words, including facial expressions, gestures, posture, and tone of voice. Our body language can reveal our true feelings even if our words say otherwise. A smile, for example, conveys warmth and approachability, while crossed arms can signal defensiveness or resistance. Understanding nonverbal communication is crucial for effective interaction. It allows us to interpret the unspoken messages we receive and adjust our own behavior accordingly, fostering clearer communication and stronger connections. By becoming more aware of our own nonverbal cues and learning to interpret those of others, we can navigate social situations with greater confidence and build more meaningful relationships. Deciphering body language, a window into thoughts and feelings. Body language is a powerful form of nonverbal communication that can provide valuable insights into a person's thoughts, feelings, and intentions. By learning to decipher body language cues, we can enhance our understanding of others and improve our communication skills. Facial expressions are one of the most expressive forms of body language. A smile, a frown, a raised eyebrow, each conveys a wealth of information about a person's emotional state. Gestures, too, play a significant role in nonverbal communication. Hand movements, such as pointing, waving, or fidgeting, can convey a range of meanings, from emphasis to nervousness. Posture and body orientation also provide clues about a person's attitude and level of engagement. Leaning forward, for example, suggests interest and attentiveness, while slouching can indicate boredom or disengagement. Practical exercises, putting skills into action. To truly master communication skills, it's essential to put theory into practice. Practical exercises provide opportunities to apply what we've learned in real-life situations, helping us develop confidence and fluency in our communication. For verbal communication, exercises might include role-playing different scenarios, practicing public speaking, or engaging in impromptu conversations with strangers. Active listening exercises could involve paired conversations where one person speaks while the other actively listens, providing feedback and asking clarifying questions. Body language exercises might include practicing different facial expressions, gestures, and postures in front of a mirror to become more aware of our own non-verbal cues and how they are perceived by others. Enhancing verbal communication, exercises for clarity and impact. Improving verbal communication involves honing our ability to express ourselves clearly, concisely, and with impact. Here are some practical exercises to enhance your verbal communication skills. 1. The elevator pitch. Imagine you have 30 seconds to pitch an idea or introduce yourself to someone important. Craft a concise and engaging message that captures their attention and leaves a lasting impression. 2. Storytelling with a purpose. Share a personal anecdote or story that illustrates a point you want to make. Practice structuring your story with a clear beginning, middle, and end, using vivid language and engaging delivery to captivate your listeners. 3. Active vocabulary building. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words and incorporating them into your daily conversations. Use a thesaurus to find synonyms for overused words, adding variety and richness to your language. Improving non-verbal communication, exercises for confidence and rapport. Non-verbal communication plays a crucial role in building rapport and conveying confidence. Here are some exercises to enhance your non-verbal communication skills. 1. Mirroring and matching. Subtly mirror the body language of the person you're interacting with, such as their posture, gestures, or tone of voice. Mirroring can create a sense of connection and rapport, making the other person feel more comfortable. 2. Eye contact practice. Maintain comfortable eye contact during conversations, looking away occasionally to avoid staring. Eye contact conveys engagement, interest, and trustworthiness. 3. Power posing. Practice power poses before important interactions to boost your confidence. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up, and smile. These poses can help you feel more powerful and assertive. Conclusion. Embrace the journey of communication mastery. Communication is an ongoing journey of learning and growth. By embracing the principles and practices outlined in this course, you can develop the skills and confidence to connect with others on a deeper level, navigate challenging conversations with grace, and achieve greater success in all areas of your life. Remember that effective communication is a two-way street. It requires both speaking and listening, understanding and empathy. By actively practicing the techniques we've covered, you can become a more mindful and skilled communicator, fostering stronger relationships, resolving conflicts peacefully, and creating a more harmonious and fulfilling life. As you embark on this journey of communication mastery, be patient with yourself, embrace the learning process, and celebrate your progress along the way. The rewards of effective communication are boundless, enriching both your personal and professional life.